Are you having problems with the Ticketmaster U521 error code and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I used to have the exact same error codes before a lot of times, and actually I haven't gotten any in like a couple of weeks now, so I was able to fix it. So what I did basically was that I firstly closed my Ticketmaster app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app, and in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now in here you're just going to scroll down a little bit and then click on storage, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this, which is great. In here you're just going to scroll up right here, as you can see, until you can see all the way up top where it says search. So click on search for Ticketmaster in here and just click on the app, and here you're just going to simply click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again, and just wait for your Ticketmaster app to completely update to the latest version, because as you can see, it's now actually loading for me. Should be very quick. In general, this app actually is very quick to update. So now when it's done, you can go back into the app, and now you will have the absolute latest version of the app. So try to actually update your app, go back into it, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.